Alright, thanks for tuning in. This is Kingdom Overlanding. Appreciate you guys watching. This is going to be an awesome video. Today this weekend actually, we're taking out our 2018 Ford Expedition for its maiden voyage on a lot of new stuff actually. We've got our new 37-inch tires we're taking out for the first time on the overland trip. We've got our roof rack, running that with the new setup on there. And then we have all of our lights. So as you can see, it's already pretty dark out, so we are definitely getting to camp at nighttime. So testing out the lights right away. But yeah, this is gonna be a great video. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoy it, give me a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Alright, morning guys. So, survived the night. It was definitely cold, but the kids were asleep, so all was good. Just had the one bottle of propane. I forgot the big hose for the big tank, so that ran out probably around midnight, 1 o'clock. So, and then I freaking broke the ladder. Stupid thing. It's the second ladder I've broken. It's so annoying. It still works, I just broke a ring off. It wasn't entirely clipped in when I set it up. But yeah, just out this morning. It's beautiful. It's probably about 25-30 degrees out. Doing a little hike. See what we see. Looking some new territory, but yeah. Alright, sweet. I'll get after it. Ooh, tasty. Breakfast sandwiches. Love this pan. Utilize both burners.
Mom, it's our breakfast done. Yep.
You hungry?
Yeah. I want.
Down and you're good. Want me to lower this? Well, you still get there. If you open
Eat. Alright, getting some lunch. It's a pretty easy morning. Just did some hiking. And I think we're staying in this spot. It's a pretty good spot. The weather is like being weird right now because it was like super cold this morning. I mean, not super cold, but it was chilly. Now it's like hot. So, like from the temperature from the sun to the shade is incredible. But overall, it's beautiful right now. We've got some amazing mountains behind us. We're up here in the pines. We've got our maiden voyage on the 37s with our new roof rack, and it's great so far. Yeah, so we came in late last night, and as usual, and having the side lights, the new side lights, those were the best. They really do cast off just an insane amount of light, so it was super nice having that. And yeah, kind of a sketchy trail, but I made it up pretty easily. Yeah, so like I said this morning, broke the ladder. I'm assuming I just didn't lock it in properly when I was setting up. So, show you real quick. Snapped it. Snapped it right off. Gone.
5 years ago, we were on our way.
I mean, even this one's not really locked in either. Just being super. These telescoping ladders are just super annoying. Because, like, you can't really get a super great length on them. Because your ground is always uneven. So, I don't know.
What are you doing?
This is the second one I've broken, fortunately. We didn't bring the buddy heater hose, so we had to use the tank on the side, and that only lasted about half a night. But these tents are so insulated with the night suppressing technology that it still worked out very nicely. I mean, there's just no light getting in here. We got the twinkle lights on, but
Bleeding strawberry.
you can see here's the annex, and here's the tent. There's no daylight in here. Annex,
Jelly all over your face.
tent. Alright, so here's the water system. Got the switch. Got the power outlet right here. I need to figure out how I'm going to package all this. Thinking some kind of a box on top of the tank. Broke off the on-off valve, but it's supposed to be on a quick disconnect. Right now I just got it in the tank. But, good water. I like it. It's a good concept. Just need to button it up. My previous setup, like I said, it broke right here. So I'll get that addressed next trip. But yeah, overall I am liking having the tank strapped in, not bolted down permanently. Alright, so here's my tank. Talked about this in the previous video. So it's strapped in. Got our straps. Now I've got a rock under it to tilt it. Tasty burgers tonight. How tasty is it? The best. What are you guys having?
We're having hamburger.
Cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers. My cheeseburger, it is so yummy. Yeah. No matter which one.
Alright, it's a fun weekend. Off-roaded in Friday night, used our awesome lights. Those things made a huge difference with the night travel. Everybody was able to see more. We actually had a lot easier time finding a good campsite too. Once again, just the side lights are just killer. Awesome. So yeah, we set up camp, got up early, went for a little hike, and then just chilled out the rest of the day, had some lunch, and now it's Sunday and we're heading back. So if you haven't noticed by now, I do have a new drone, so playing with that. Forgive my lack of pilot skills, but it'll come. So yeah, this is like one of those trails where, you know, you're definitely not getting a camper trailer back. So it was super quiet all weekend. There was no traffic, and that's like ideal setup for us. You know, it was about an hour back in the woods, but once we got in here, I said it was just quiet all weekend. We just saw our first side-by-side this morning, so that was awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This has been Kingdom Overlanding, our first overland trip with the tents and the rack and our tires, lights, the whole setup. So if you have any questions, comment below, give me a like. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.